So you just want to check TikTok violation, maybe your video has restrictions, or maybe your post got removed. Don't worry, let me show you how you can check everything. So first you have to open up your TikTok and go to profile section. And from here tap the hamburger menu and go to settings and privacy. Now first you have to go to help center and you will get the option safety center. Just go for it. Now on this page, tap on account status and here you can check your current violation status. So if you get any violation on your post, videos or account, you can see it here. But if your account is safe, you will see something like good standing, which means you are following TikTok community guidelines and your account is safe from violations. Now go back and here you will also see report records. From here you can check which post or videos you reported before. Now another way to check your account status, just go back to your profile. Now tap on hamburger menu and from TikTok Studio, here scroll a little and you will find account check option. And then you can check which post may be violating guidelines and the reason why TikTok restricted them. So you can read the details and if needed, you can delete the post or edit it to keep your account safe. And also if you ever reported any content, you can easily check it anytime from your report section. That's how you can actually check violation on your TikTok account. And that's it. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for watching.